I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a charge on the TD Online app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the TD Online app. Launch the app on your device and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are connected to a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section and select the account that has the charge you want to dispute. Look for the Transactions tab to view your recent activity. Step 3. Select the charge. Scroll through your transactions to find the specific charge you wish to dispute. Tap on it to view more details about the transaction, including the date and merchant information. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After filling out the required information, review your dispute request and submit it. You should receive a confirmation notification or email regarding the status of your dispute. Remember to keep an eye on your email for updates on your dispute. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to TD customer support for assistance. Good luck!